In this video I will solve two problems, two improper integrals. This is the first one and second one. So let me solve the first one. E to infinity 1 by x ln cube x. So to evaluate these types of integral, you first need to consider this one as an indefinite integral like this. Let's say this integral is x ln cube x dx. So how can we solve these types of integral? By the method of substitution. Let ln x is equal to another variable z, then 1 by x dx will be dz. So now this integral becomes 1 by z cube dz, and if you integrate it, you will get minus 3 plus 1 divided by minus 3 plus 1 plus c, and this equal minus 1 half or minus 1 by z square plus c, which is equal minus 1 by 2 ln square x plus c. Now if we solve these types of improper integral, then this integral is improper because of this infinity. So by definition I can write limit b tends to infinity. If I replace infinity by b to make the integral proper, then I need to put b tends to infinity 1 by x ln cube x dx, and this equal limit b tends to infinity. This integral now a proper integral, so the result we can take help from here. You see this one we need to use here, minus 1 by 2 ln cube x. The lower limit is e, upper limit is b. You don't need to write c here because this is a definite integration. So this equal limit b tends to infinity. If you put b first, then it will be minus 1 by 2 ln cube b. Minus and minus will make plus. If you put e, it will be 1 half ln cube e. Now we can put the limit formally, b tends to infinity. So if I put infinity here for b, it will be ln infinity, and we know ln infinity equal infinity, and 1 by infinity equal 0, plus ln e equal to 1 cube 1, so this one will be 1 half, and the result will be 1 half. This is the answer of this integral. Since ln e equal to 1, so ln cube e will be equal to 1 cube, which is equal 1. That I put here. I'm sorry, I made a mistake here. You see, integration of 1 by x ln cube x is equal minus 1 by 2 ln square x. So according to this, it should be 2 here. 1 by 2 ln square x, this 3 will be 2, and this 3 will be 2. But the result is same. If you put infinity, it will be infinity, and 1 by infinity equals 0. And ln e equal to 1 square equal to 1, so it will be 1 half. So the final result is 1 half. Now let us solve the second integral 0 to 4 1 by x minus 4 whole square dx, and this integral is improper. Why? Because of its upper limit. If you put upper limit for x, it will be infinity. The integrand will be infinity. So by definition we can write limit. I need to first replace 4 by b, and then I can write b is tends to 4 from left. For the upper limit it will approximate to 4 from left, and for the lower limit it will approaches to a number from right. So it will be 1 by x minus 4 whole square dx. Now limit b tends to 4 tends to 4 minus, we know integration of 1 by x square is equal minus 1 by x. So exactly the same way we can integrate it, which will be minus 1 by x minus 4, and the lower limit is 0, upper limit b. Now if I put the upper limit first, it will be 1 by b minus 4 plus 1 by 0 minus 4. If I put lower limit, so formally now we can replace this b by 4, so it will be 1 by 4 minus 4, which will be 1 by 0, which is infinity, minus 1 by 4, and which is equal infinity minus 1 by 4. And if you subtract anything from infinity, you will get infinity. It will be plus infinity. So the integral diverges. The integral diverges. There is no value of this integral. So what is the result? This integral diverges to plus infinity, and it has no value. And that's all in this video. Thank you very much for your watching. In my next video I will discuss again probably 3 problems. All those problems will be related to improper integral of type 3. Here the first one is improper integral of type 1, and second one is improper integral of type 2. In my next video I will solve 3 problems which will be related to improper integral of type 3. Thank you very much for your watching.